Welcome to our day's kitchen where the food is so damn delicious. Hello guys, it's our day and you're watching So Damn Delicious. Thank you guys for tuning into my show. Today guys, I will show you how to enjoy octopus in 3 different ways. Okay, here are the ingredients guys. Of course we have the octopus. We have some olives, green olives. I have 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper, 1 tomato, 1 onion. We're going to use the juice of the lemon. Hot color peppers. This is optional, guys. We have mayo. We have some olive oil. And this is our seasoning, guys. This is sea salt with black pepper. I just put it together, guys. We have parsley. This is just salad seasoning, oregano, Lori seasoning salt, and cilantro. And over here, guys, this is the bowl I'll be using to put the mixture in. This is a tomato basil wrap. Okay, so, and this is the salad, just a mixed salad. You can use whatever salad mixture that you like, guys. That's what you can use. Okay, so today, guys, I'm going to show you. I said 3 ways, right? So we're going to do it the regular way, of which I'm going to put it in here, in this bowl, and then we're going to do a wrap, right? And also, we're going to do it in the way that I use the lettuce. Okay? So, there you have it. So now, let me cut up these ingredients, guys. I'll be right back. And we have white vinegar, guys. Okay guys, I'm back. All the ingredients are cut up. As you can see, just dice it guys. Dice it small like this. That's all, just cut it up small. All right. So now, let's get to making this octopus salad. So the first thing we're gonna put in here guys is, you may as well put this in here, right? Since we cut everything up. So we just scoop it on in there, baby. Gonna add the olives. Gonna add the hot peppers. Gonna add some olive oil, you guys. We're gonna add the vinegar. Let's squeeze the juice of the lemon. Take the seeds out, guys. Let's add some. We're gonna add the seasoning, baby. And last but not least, we're gonna add the octopus. So guys, you're gonna stir this around. Look at how delicious that looks. Baby, if you could smell this, honey. Mmm. It smells so damn delicious. Look at that, guys. Looks so damn delicious. And you have just enough of all the ingredients. You don't want it to be too much of one thing. Guys, I wish you could smell this. Baby. Only in Idea's kitchen, where you know the food is so damn delicious. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you the first way that you can enjoy your octopus salad. So you're going to take some. This is the traditional way that you can enjoy your octopus salad, guys. Make sure you have enough of everything in there. Put some of those juicy juices, baby. Put some of them juicy juices, honey. Okay. This is one way, guys, you can enjoy it. See that, guys? This is one way you can enjoy it. Octopus salad. Okay, and the next way you can enjoy your octopus salad is, this is where the mayo comes in. I'm gonna add some mayo. Add a little more mayo, guys. You want it nice and creamy. I'll stir it up really good, guys. Now we're gonna add the lettuce. Stir this up. See how everything blends so well? Look at that, guys. So damn delicious. You want to get that flavor all in that lettuce, baby. Yes. Okay. This is the second way that you can enjoy your octopus salad. Last but not least, baby. Okay, you're gonna stir this around a bit. And you're gonna just put it in the wrap. So we're gonna wrap this up, guys. You see all those juicy juices? Bring them corners in. Bring those corners in, child. Wrap it the best way you know how. There you have it, guys. 3 ways you can enjoy your octopus salad. Thanks for tuning into my show, guys. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.